Hello, this is my VOLVO XC90 5-cylinder 120 kilowatts, and the problem what I have is popping sound, and the popping sound comes out from intake. So my guess was that something is wrong with rocker arm or lifters, hydraulic lifters, and I was right. There is 20 hydraulic lifters, and out of 20 were worn out or broken 10. So it cannot do like this. And these failure indications are popping sound and oil, or just a very dirty place here nearby this arm. Also, it's good idea to change sealings, of course, gaskets, this swirl valves and arms. Clean and oil everything, and then back together. Bye bye.